Hi everyone, myself M. Chandrapradap Reddy from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are discussing about varactor diode. Varactor diode, versatile electronics components. Varactor diode are semiconductor devices that exhibit a voltage dependent competence allowing for dynamic tuning of circuits. Introducing a varactor diode. Semiconductor devices. Varactor diodes are composed of a PN junction diode, a key element in many semiconductor devices. Voltage dependent capacitance. The width of the depletion region and thus the capacitance changes in response to an applied voltage. Dynamic tuning. This variable capacitance enables tuning of circuits such as oscillators and filters. Basic varactor diode structure and operation. PN junction diode. A PN junction is formed by joining a P-type semiconductor with an N-type semiconductor. Depletion region. The depletion region is a zone divided of free charge carriers created at the interface of the P and N materials. Capacitance. The depletion region acts like a capacitor with the capacitance determined by the depletion region width. Capacitance variation with reverse bias. Reverse bias. Applying a reverse bias voltage to the PN junction widens the depletion region. Capacitance decrease. A wider depletion region leads to a decrease in capacitance as the distance between the plates of the capacitor increases. Tunability. This inverts the relationship between the capacitance and the reverse bias, forms the bias for tuning circuits using varactor diode. Applications of varactor diode. Tunable oscillators. Varying the capacitance of a varactor diode can adjust the resonant frequency of an oscillator circuit, enabling frequency tuning. Frequency multipliers. Varactor diodes can generate harmonics of an input frequency, enabling the creation of higher frequencies. Voltage control attenuators. The capacitance of a varactor diode can be used to control the attenuation of a signal, enabling dynamic signal control. Tunable oscillators and filters. LC resonance. Oscillators rely on LC circuits where an inductor and a capacitor resonate at a specific frequency. Varactor tuning. The varactor diode's capacitance is adjusted, changing the resonant frequency of the LC circuit. Frequency control. This allows for precise frequency control in applications like radio receivers, voltage control oscillators, and frequency synthesizers. Frequency multipliers and frequency modulators. Harmonic generation. The nonlinear capacitance of the varactor diode can produce harmonics of the input frequency. Frequency modulation. Varactor diodes can be used in frequency modulators, whereas the capacitance is modulated by an input signal. Signal processing. These applications are essential in communication systems for signal generation, modulation, and frequency conversion. Voltage controlled attenuators and phase shifters. Voltage controlled attenuators adjust signal amplitude based on the applied voltage. Phase shifters introduce a variable phase shift to a signal, changing the signal's timing. Voltage control attenuators. Applications in communication systems for signal conditioning. Phase shifters used in phase locked loops, digital filters, and radar systems. Advantages and limitations of varactor diodes. Advantages. Varactor diodes provide precise tuning, high frequency resonance, and compatibility with integrated circuits. Limitations. Their power handling capabilities are limited and they exhibit a trade-off between tuning range and capacitance variation. Future trends and developments in varactor diode technology, miniaturization and integration. Varactor diodes are becoming smaller and more integrated with other components, leading to more compact circuits. Higher frequency operation. Research is focused on developing varactor diodes for operation at higher frequencies, expanding their use in high-speed electronics. Thank you.